Hi, welcome to this video. How to make Instagram Reels. To create an Instagram Reel, open the app, tap the plus button at the top left, and select Reel here, right? You can see at the bottom here. Now you can select photo or video. That will be translated or converted as a reel. And next, you got music, text, voice, captions, etc., overlay, or you can edit the video by using the edit video button at the bottom left to split, doing simple stuff like you do in normal video editing, but lighter. And next, add a caption, and don't forget to add hashtags to increase your engagement, and tag people if it's more than one individual. Add location to get more views domestically or internationally. And if you want to schedule your reel, you could just go ahead and hit more options and hit schedule this reel. And before scheduling, make sure to toggle on upload at highest quality, right? So you can get the best quality out there, right? And once you schedule and everything, hit next or schedule, and the post will be shared now or at your specific time, right? Consider liking this video, subscribe it. Until